So this is how you can change your YouTube channel name. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for YouTube. Today you will learn how to change your channel name. So go ahead and open up YouTube and then go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, as you can see at the top, that is my YouTube channel. Go ahead and tap on view channel. And here we are. Now, as you can see, there is this button that says manage videos. On the right, there is a statistics logo, and onto the right of that, there is a pencil logo. Go ahead and tap on the pencil, and you will be in your channel settings. Now you can go ahead and change the name. This is your display name. I'm just gonna put hi. And by the way, your name can only be changed every 14 days. Now, you can also change your handle, which is your main at or your main YouTube channel address. This can also be changed every 14 days. Go ahead and just change it to whatever you want. I'm just gonna keep this as how it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, go to your profile, tap on view channel, and then tap on the pencil to see your channel settings, and then you can go ahead and change your name or your handle or both. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.